Ever wondered how AI can boost your video creation? You're about to find out. First up, Adobe Premiere Pro's Generative Extend tool. Imagine seamlessly extending your clips by up to 2 seconds and ambient audio by 10. AI analyzes and generates extra frames and sound, smoothing edits and enhancing your video's flow. Game changer, right? Next, YouTube Shorts is stepping up with an AI-powered sticker generator. Type a description and voila! Creative, engaging visuals instantly. Your shorts will never look the same. Finally, for reaching a global audience, meet Linguana. This AI-driven translator replicates your voice tone and localizes content. Separate channels, optimized titles, thumbnails, and comments. Global engagement made easy. These AI tools are transforming content creation, making it efficient and accessible. Have you tried any? Share your experiences in the comments below. Text on screen. Subscribe for more insights into the latest content creation tools and trends.